You know that feeling when your car goes silent at a red light and for a split second you wonder if it stalled? That's probably your ISS, or idling stop system, kicking in. Let's break down what ISS actually does, why it's become so popular, and what you should know before fully trusting it. So, ISS, sometimes called start-stop tech, is a system that automatically shuts off your engine when you come to a complete stop, like at traffic lights or in bumper-to-bumper traffic. The second you take your foot off the brake, the engine starts up again almost instantly. It's seamless. Most of the time you barely notice. Why bother? Well, the main reason is fuel savings. ISS can cut down idling time by up to 25%, which means you're burning less gas just sitting around. For a daily commuter, that can add up to noticeable savings at the pump. Plus, less idling means fewer emissions. So it's a win for the environment too. Let's talk real-world examples. I've driven loads of cars with ISS, everything from compact sedans to big SUVs. In city driving, where you're constantly stopping and starting, you'll see the biggest benefits. Some experts estimate you could save up to half a gallon per hour of idling. Not bad, right? But here's where things get interesting. ISS isn't perfect. Critics argue that frequent stopping and starting puts extra strain on your starter motor and battery. Modern systems use beefed-up components, but over time, you might see more wear and tear. In cold weather, ISS can be a little jumpy, sometimes hesitating to restart. And if you're blasting AC on a hot summer's day, some systems will skip shutting off to keep you comfortable. There's also a bit of a learning curve. At first it might feel weird, or even annoying when your car shuts off at every stop. But trust me, most people get used to it fast, and if you don't like it, most cars let you turn ISS off with the press of a button. Automakers and experts largely agree properly used, ISS can help reduce fuel costs and emissions without a major downside. But if you're someone who does mostly highway driving, or you're worried about long-term component wear, you might not see as much benefit. So, next time your car goes silent at a red light, you'll know what's going on under the hood, and whether that little pause is saving you money, or just interrupting your favorite song. Either way, ISS is here to stay, making modern cars just a little bit smarter and a lot more efficient.